The bullshit I hear about manifesting money online, and I'm tired of it. I'm done. And you're going to hear about it now, and you will change all your beliefs as I'm talking to you because you can manifest money in any shape or form you desire. And I'm going to debunk everything what the gurus and the experts, manifesting experts are saying because it's bullshit. It's absolute bollocks. And I'm not having it. And I want you to succeed. So, hence, I invited Harrison. Harrison, you have some questions for me. I'm happy to answer anything. You know that. Give it to me.
So, what's the biggest lie people who want to manifest money believe that's keeping them stuck, even though it feels true?
Okay, what's the biggest lie? There's so many, but I'm gonna divide them into two. Something what gurus say on internet, I'll start with that, and then something you believe yourselves. So let's do gurus, shall we? Uh, the biggest scam on internet is that after $10 million, you have something to do. You have nothing to do. You do not have to do affirmations, ask affirmations, 369, 555, robotic affirmations, parrot in your left hand, standing on your right foot and whistling, putting tickets into a microwave, blowing cinnamon, any of that we do not do, wearing yellow t-shirt. None of that will get you what you want. The only thing which will ever get you what you want is I can imagine it, and hence it's mine. Me imagining having that money is a memory of what I already have done. I'm just coming back home. I have already done it. If I can imagine having that money and living that life, it's because I have already done it. It's a memory. So I know how to do this. And I have made a decision that it's mine, and nothing and no one can take me from it. That's the only thing you need to do. The rest, all the techniques are basically you saying, I don't have it and I'm not good at this and I need to work really hard to get peanuts. Well, and universe will respond by saying, okay, keep doing that. Well, when you learn that it's not working, maybe I'll talk to you again. Bye-bye. Okay, it's as easy as that. So that's one thing. So please stop listening to that stuff. Second, bullshit online. I see and hear so much that you have to heal. No, you don't have to heal. It's advisable because why be bitter? Why be slightly depressed or anxious? You don't need to, but it's absolutely not mandatory to heal in order to manifest. Your belief that I have this and this is mine with this energy will override absolutely everything, any trauma you ever had. It will override every single thing in your way right now. So, no, you don't have to heal. Okay. And the thing which really is winding me up in past 6 months or 8 months is you can't do it overnight. You cannot be a success or a millionaire overnight. And my client and me, you will see a video with her soon, are like, seriously? We had a session on Friday evening, and on Saturday morning, she went and got a contract for $80 billion. Seriously? You cannot manifest overnight? Really? Stop these limiting beliefs. This is total bullshit. Don't believe in any of that. Your life can change in 1 billionth of a second at any given time. It's up to you if it does. It's up to you if it doesn't. And that's the end of story. Yes, you can be ultra success overnight. You can be ultra success in a billionth of a second, actually. So let's stop these limiting beliefs. I really can't stand that. It's so stupid. It's ridiculously stupid. So that's what the gurus online say, and you should listen to. And now I have a few things I want to say about what you believe, which is holding you back most of the time, from my sessions, my findings. Um, I would like money, but billionaires are evil. Well, my best friend is a billionaire. He's the kindest person I've ever met because I wouldn't have it any other way. I don't meet people who are evil. So, no, sorry. That's your limiting belief. It doesn't work like that. Are there some? Yes, of course they are, but there's lots of them who are absolutely the most wonderful people you can imagine. You cannot get rich unless the money is tinted. It's illegal. No, there's again lots of people. I know lots of multimillionaires who got their money through work and not through anything funny, weird, or illegal or unethical. Money will change me. It's up to you if it does or not. Money should change you for the better. It should give you more kindness, more opportunities to help people. Um, it's up to you what happens to you. Why would you decide for bad change? That's beyond understanding, really. I will have no friends. Well, you don't want friends who can be phased by you having money. You will manifest friends on the level you are, who are not phased by it and are happy for you and don't expect you to pay every dinner just because you're rich, because they're on the same boat. As easy as that. So it also comes back to not having the JR self-confidence. Like, I got this. This is mine. I always win. I always get what I want. Everything always works out for me. And lots of other beliefs like I'm scared, I overthink everything, I procrastinate, and what if I fail, and what if I succeed? Lots of fears and doubts, which we can remove easily for you. And I'm going to be talking about all of this in a free webinar, which the link for it is down below this video in the video description. You click on it, we'll see you there, and you're going to learn a hell lot of wonderful stuff which you need to know in order to manifest money and break through your income ceiling. So that's me being exhausted after so many reasons why people don't like to manifest money easily and effortlessly. Any more questions? Are we
Yeah, one more.
okay?
So
Cool.
I want you to imagine there's two entrepreneurs and they're following the exact same strategy, but one of them turns into £1 million business and then the other one never breaks through. Why do you think that could be?
So we have two entrepreneurs. One makes it, one doesn't. Mindset, mindset, attitude. Do I behave like a winner or do I behave like a victim? Do I trust in myself and don't I trust in myself? Do I know that I got this or don't I know that I got this? Um, am I my own best cheerleader or am I? All of that. Am I ready to put in what's necessary or not? Is it a true burning desire? Or is it, oh, it would be nice, but I'd prefer to go to a pub and have 5 drinks and keep dreaming. Lots of things which divide people who make it and who don't, but everyone can. Everyone who seriously wants can. And yes, you may fail. There are millionaires who fail 17 times before they make their first million. They have 17 businesses as failures and then they make it. To some people, it's far easier. There's lots of failures before you make it, but they want it, they get it. Depends if you're persistent and if you keep doing what you need to be doing, which is learning, executing, improving, mindset, and skills. That's it. All good? Wonderful.
Perfect.
People, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you're notified when I release a new video because you need to watch them all if you want to seriously get some money in. And don't forget about the webinar and we'll see you there. Bye-bye.